Hey everybody, so we back again, and I ordered this dip nail powder system from Amazon. So we're gonna kind of see what's in it. This was originally $15.99, but I paid $9.99. Okay, and see if it has a name. Doesn't look like it, but this is the manual. Hold on, let's look. No, but I'll put it in the description. It just says 10 plus 3 dip powders. They may have a name on the pieces, but no. So this is the brush that you brush things away. This is an extra little thing is brush for, I think it's for like the glue one that holds it on. Cuticle pusher. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get 10, yeah, okay, it's on the box. 10 dip colors. And they are 7 grams. Can y'all see that? There you go, 7 grams. So that's a pink. This is like a lime. I mean, lemon lime. Looks lemon lime. This is a dark pink focus. And this is like a neon green. This is like a purple violet. All right. And then they have this 3 nail files, which I'm quite sure I will not be using. Let's see what other colors. This is an interesting one. It looks, let's see if it'll focus. I don't know. It looks greenish color. And this is like a light blue. Another pink. It doesn't look like it's focusing. Okay, I'm just gonna keep moving. This seems like more, it'll come off as a blush / nude. And this is a nude. And then it comes with the base, which is step 1, step 2, activator, step 3, top coat. And I have done it once, and then a couple times, once on my own and a couple times in school, but I never really liked it. But these are the instructions that come with it. So we're going to try it, and then we're going to do a video on it. I just wanted to unbox to show you guys, but I did pay $9.99 for this. They had like a 14-minute flash sale on Amazon, and it's originally $15.99, but you can get it for I got it for $9.99 because they had a 15-minute flash sale. I also got my tiny little package from AliExpress. I'm still waiting for some more stuff, but I'm guessing these are the stuff that were in the warehouse together because they all came together. So let's see what we got. I bought some more spaceship, and it comes in assorted colors. See, you can see the bottom better. See the colors. 6 different colors. Then I bought these right here for Valentine's Day. I thought these were so pretty. These are 3 bears. Can y'all see those? Those are so pretty. We're gonna do a set with these with the e-file because I recorded my toes, me doing my toes, y'all. If the video is able to upload, then you'll see it. If not, then you won't, because I've been trying to upload that video for the last 2 days, and it's not allowing me to do it on the device that I use to record it. So maybe a video I did for no reason. Okay, so these are Hello Kitties. Some are just the face, as y'all can see. Some are just the face. Yeah, you got a better view. Some are just the face, and then some are the body, the whole body. And I'll try to put links as well from where I got this from. See, the whole body of her. Yeah, so it's just like a mixture, and I think these were like $3 or something like that. These were like 90 or 60 something cent. I think these were like $1 and some change. And then I bought these right here. Well, let's show you these. You know, these right here, a lot of people buy to help protect their fingers while they're working and things like that. They're the the nail bandages. But let me show you how these right here work. Let me get the e-file. Oh. Sorry, guys. Sorry for the shaking. Okay. So, you know, there are some bits. Come on, stop. There are some bits that come with the little thing right here. That's supposed to keep, you know, the thing safe. The e-file safe. So I bought some more. And these are to sit in there. Like such. And it protects it as you work. So the ones that you may have lost, it keeps just the dust from going into your handle. That's what I was told it was for. But I like it. But that's why I bought them, because some of my things don't have the little thing around it, but the majority of them do have the little band around them. But if you notice, some of like, oh, that one does, but like this one don't have the band. So I just bought some extra just to make sure all of them would have a band if I need it. And of course, you know, the mandrels don't come with bands at all. So I bought it, make sure my mandrels have the band and it's not clogging up my handpiece. So y'all, I got plenty more stuff coming from AliExpress, from Temu, from, I might try Shein again. Y'all may hear my son outside. He's trying to talk to me at the same time. But yeah, we're gonna have so much more reviews. Then once we get to 500 subscribers, guys, we have to get there. We're gonna do our first giveaway. And like I said, we may vote on what we're gonna give away, or we may do some type of thing to figure out what we're gonna give away. But that's when we're gonna start doing giveaways. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video, tell a friend, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.